Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I'm doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, I'm sick, but I have decided myself after 50 days I will speak English properly, inshallah. So today is my 13th day is running, and at this moment I'm practicing English video, and today I will discuss about my favorite food. My favorite food is kachi biryani. It is very delicious food and also popular food in Bangladesh. Kachi made with rice, meat and spices, and its smells is very beautiful. When my mother cooked kachi biryani that day, I eating lot, and my mother cooked kachi biryani special day. For example, Friday, Eid al Fitr, Eid al Adha, and special days. My mother cooked kachi biryani. I think my mother handmade kachi biryani, best kachi biryani in the world. I think everyone mother's handmade food is best food in the world. So everyone take care your mom, your parents, your families. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.